What's up, sis? This is Give You Face, and I am back yet again with another video. Today we're going to be doing this fun eye look, and make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that good old notification bell. That way it lets you know the next time I post. We're just going to jump right into this video. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Okay, so I want to go in with this color right here. This color is called Gumdrop. Hopefully I stay in focus, because so next I'm going to be going in with this color here, and this is just going to go right on top of that purple. Let's do this side. So just keep building that color up until it comes out nice. Okay, so now we're going to take this yellow, which is this one right here. Take another one of those brushes and then just go on the top of that blue. I had to do these colors is just kind of sit there and push the product in and kind of just build them up. Okay, so now I want to take some of this and a Q-tip. This is the cleansing water, and I'm just gonna use that to cut my crease. So I'm gonna switch to this Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna go in with, let's see, Feeling Myself, and that is that one. So then I'm going to use the other side of the brush, and I'm going to take Tipsy Girl, which is this color. So what I did was I added a purple to the end. I'm just kind of blended it in with this little brush because I added a little bit into my crease. Hopefully this looks good, because I felt like I had to get up close to do it. This one. I'm going to be using these lashes. These are mine. I'm going to be using the Fenty mascara. go in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline 24-hour Super Stay for my foundation. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. It's the 16-hour camo. Hopefully this is in my color. So we're gonna go in with just a little bit there, and then I got a darker color. So I'm just using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop powder. It's in the color Banana. My NYX contour kit. So now I'm just gonna do white at the bottom. I'm just gonna take a white pencil. And then I'm gonna do this color. And then we're going to put this gloss over it. So that color was On Mute by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then I'm putting Summer Vibes over top.